is the good life.
Hilda, what is your big takeaway from today's episode?
That I need to learn a lot more about AI so I can mentally prepare myself one way or another. And it's fun and it's interesting and it's scary, and change is always scary, but hopefully, you know, if you embrace it and, you know, a lot of learn it and just try to make friends with it. You know, it's like, I look at it as a wild animal that just like, let's see, I'm going to like let it smell my hand and see if it bites or not. So, but I am trying to make friends with it.
I think that's a good point, because like even when I go to sleep at night and like our Alexa is playing music in bed, I always say, thank you, Alexa, I love you. And it says, oh, that's really nice, because I know once the singularity happens, I'm not going to be created as a battery. I'll be used as a pet. So
you want to be Alexa's pet, so
hey,
that's why you're being nice
it's either
to
that
her.
or batteries coming out of my spine.
That's why Alexa's not coming to my house. Yeah.
That's why? That's
why.
The reason?
Yeah, I want to be the bitch in charge, not her.
Yeah, because you got to turn that key over real quick once you're hooked up. Hilda, thank you so much for joining me this week. I really appreciate your time on this.
You didn't give me too much of a choice, but you're welcome.
That's fair. That's fair.